Hello, Stampers! It's Elizabeth from StampScrapAndMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. Came home from work tonight. Paper pumpkin time! I haven't changed, I haven't put my groceries away, but I thought I want to share this paper pumpkin with you. I already cracked it open and realized when I started filming that I didn't have my microphone plugged in, so you weren't going to hear me, so I had to package it all up again and start over. So apologies for already cracking open the box, but let's get started. Without further ado, and I'm going to share with you what's in this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. It is called So Cool. And it coordinates with the, if you love the paper, check out the suite. So it's, if the So Cool Paper Pumpkin Kit has you craving even more summer fun, you'll love our exclusive Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. It's packed full of cool summer treats and colors that pair perfectly with the So Cool stickers and other supplies. So I won't read the whole thing for you, but I do admit that I love the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. And you can click on this QR code. I just need to close something on my screen so that I can see it. There we go. You can click on that QR code and you can start shopping right away. And the Designer Series paper in Canada is $15.75. So let me share with you. The kit includes this month the So Cool Photopolymer Stamp Set, the Bermuda Bay Classic Stampin' Spot, the printed card bases, the printed envelopes, the printed die-cut stickers, the glimmer die cuts, the white die-cut labels, the Bumblebee Baker's Twine, adhesive dots, and dimensionals. And it coordinates with the colors of Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Old Olive, and Terracotta Tile. Look at the shape of those cards. Oh! Anyhow. Aren't they adorable? Love, love, love them. So the stamp set, and I'm just going to put this behind here maybe so you can see it. We've got, let's see what they, You Are So Cool, Happy Birthday, Way to Go, and Hey There. We've got some sprinkles, we've got a piece of watermelon, and ice cream, not an ice cream cone, like a fudgicle. A fudgicle, that's what I'm going to call it. Color is Bermuda Bay. Love Bermuda Bay. Reminds me of summer and sunshine and all things goodness. All right, so let me just put the box away, also known as tossed on the floor. Just going to straighten my computer there a second. I'm very OCD about things being straight. Okay. What do we have, folks? We've got some of the Bumblebee Baker's Twine, and we've got our dimensionals. Oh, I'm loving love it when cards are different, like and they're shaped really different. So we've got really fun envelopes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 envelopes. Look at that fun pattern on the inside. Okay. And oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I gotta see who. I'm gonna have to make cards this weekend and send them to people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 of this style. Oh, wait. Elizabeth, let's get going here. And we've got 3 of this pattern and 3 of this pattern. And we've got 1, 2, 3 of this pattern and 3 of this pattern. Oh. And we've got, okay, 2 sheets of stickers. And so, yep, 2 sheets of stickers. So we've got 2 of that style, 2 of that, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And they are stickers, folks. Let me just double check. Yeah, they're stickers. And we've got some die cut labels. And there's 8 of the circle and 8 of the banner flag, like that. And then we've got sparkles. Oh, and we've got multiple shapes of the sparkles. We've got 2, 4, 6 of this pattern. And 6 of this pattern. And then we have our glue dots, and again, these are the cards and the instructions. This kit was geared towards kids in mind, had kids in mind, but you know, I love this. Hey there, you're so cool, happy birthday, and way to go. So I just think that these are fun cards, and not only will they be fun to make, but I think they'll be awesome to receive as well. And that's this month's kit. Let me just pause 1 second for I had an idea. Give me 1 second while I pause. And by the magic of television, I am back. So I had an idea, and this is the Sweet Ice Cream stamp set that coordinates with the designer series paper that I showed you earlier in this flyer. So if you wanted to, you could use You're So Cool, treat yourself on this card, with thank you with sprinkles on top. So you could do thank you on the outside and then put with sprinkles on top on the inside. So you can use this stamp set, but if you wanted to take it up a notch and use other sentiments, and you've got the Sweet Ice Cream Suite, bingo! You've got a whole another group of sentiments that you can use. So I think that's pretty. I love it when Stampin' Up! Brings 2 different products in together and creates interaction between stamp sets and paper pumpkin and designer series paper. Anyhow, that's it for me, and I hope you enjoyed that, and we will talk to you again real soon. Time to go make dinner and put away the groceries. Ciao!